Now, I will just take another, any questions so far? No, right? Okay. So, what I have taken data sets, I will go to the my sheet 1. So, when I come to the sheet 1, I will be able to say this all the data. Based on this, now you are going to make your graph, right. So, now which I was talking about the hierarchy, drill down, that means go in depth. You have seen that I have country, in country I have a state, then I have some code, pin code, right, city will be there generally. If I want to go with the date, right, so date will be having year, month, right, and day, right. So, suppose someone has order, I want to see that in the particular year how many order has been given. So, what you will do? You will prepare the chart, right, and you will display, select the year and it will display. If someone asks you, no, I want based on month, then what you will do that? Again you have to make again, right, yes or no? You have to again create another visualization. If someone says that no, I want every on day basis that how many product was ordered, then again you will prepare with the day wise. Now, to solve this, I want to come, we can overcome with this, and that is called as nothing, it is a hierarchy or drill down, right. This term is called as drill down or hierarchy. So, what you can do, now I will take in like, you can see that categories is there, right. Do we have any subcategory in that? No. Subcategory is there, right? Yes or no? And even you can see that product is there, product name is there, product ID is there, right? And if you see that for the country is there, city is there, right? So, country comes inside the city or city comes inside the country? City comes inside the country. So, that is what if you want. So, however you want, you can just play with this, right. So, you can see that we have country, city, and even you can see that we have a state, right. Now, what I want to do, I will just simply take categories and I will put into this categories into rows, okay. And I will take, that is the how many product categories, what is the sales of that summation value. So, I will take the sales value and put it into the column. Now, you can see that this is my, now you can see that okay, I have the furniture, I have the office supply and technology, only these 3 categories we have, and what is the sum value of that, it is displaying. You can see in the graph, we are not talking for the graph as of now. Okay. So, now suppose I said no, this category I want to see the subcategories, then what you will do? What we supposed to do that? So, where we have subcategories, we have subcategories here, right. So, what you will do? Take this and drop it here. Now, you can see that my data, what I am visualizing based on my that subcategories we have. So, these are the categories, these are the subcategories we have. We have not learnt about the hierarchy or drill down. It is the normal, the procedure of visualizing the data. Now, I want this to be in hierarchy or drill down. So, what I will do, I will as of now this I will remove it this from here. Okay. What I will do, I will take these categories, right, and I will go up, hold this, okay, and go to the category and drop there. The moment you drag and drop, it will ask you to create a hierarchy, and it will ask you to give a name for the hierarchy. It is whatever the name you want to give, it is totally up to you. You want categories only, you want category subcategories, let it be there, that is not a problem, it is totally up to you. So, I will click OK. Now, you can see that the moment I drag and drop, the data, you can see that we have now hierarchy, you can see that hierarchy icon, right. So, now it is category and subcategories are here. Now, you can see that the result what it is displaying, it is based on the hierarchy only, and you can see that means it is only with based of categories. But you can notice here we have something called as plus icon over there. If you click, if you look at here, it will show a plus icon. That means a hierarchy is created, and if I press this, it will get splitted into the subcategories and it will display that details also. Clear? Got it? So, the way this is very basic, whatever the graph, that is different thing, but based on the like hierarchy I want drill down. Now, that is what, if I click again minus, it will come back. So, no need to display that yes, this is the especially we are adding this. So, if you have added earlier, you cannot see that both, you can see only one at a time, but here you can see that both, you can see that but just by clicking one click. Clear? So, this is just about the hierarchy, or it is called as drill down. Okay. So, the remaining just you practice, and once you practice you will get to know that, and same way what you do drill down, you can take any other, like suppose I will take based on, so now country is there, right. So, what will come in country, city will come, right, again click OK. Now, in the city again I have to take a state. So, I will take state and put it the above the country, right. Now, you can see that I have the drill down for this name does not matter, because we have first starting created with the name of country, city, that is what is there. If you want, you can change it. Now, even if I want to category to be taken here and put this data, you can see that now the data categories and country. Now, if I click on plus icon here, it will show me that based on country, first it was based on country. When I click plus icon, based on state. When I click plus icon, based on city, how many orders, summation, that means order amount is there. I can easily explore in depth, that is what is called a drill down. You keep go in depth by clicking that every option, right, by every the hierarchy, right. So, I can, if you want to come back directly, you just click on those directly in the root and it will be like this. So, whatever the graph, it does not matter, if you want to change any graph, you can change it. Clear? Clear guys? So, please practice this entire, you just do the different hierarchy and then let me know if you face any difficulties, we will sort it out. That is all for